This is my room at the California Hotel and Casino in the Fremont Street area in Las Vegas, Nevada. It's now I want to start off by saying it's not exactly on Fremont Street. It's just off Fremont Street. It's across from Main Street Station or behind the circus, so it's really just a block off Fremont Street. It's This room's been pretty recently renovated. Everything looks neat, nice, very comparable to my recent stay at the Fremont in terms of room decor and amenities and things like that. A little bit bigger room overall, still not large by any means, but you can see it does have a large screen television. We do have in this little cabinet a safe and a mini fridge to keep your drinks cool, as well as some places to store your items. Have a nice working desk right here and a large wardrobe over here that's got plenty of storage, so that's a really, if you like to take a lot of stuff with you, you'll have plenty of room in this room to put it. Now the bathroom, let me pan over this way, is a little old school, and then it's open, or at least the sink portion is open to the room. And you have the toilet and the shower that are once again separate, but it's a really tiny area in here. The shower is plenty large enough, but there's just not a lot of elbow room in here, let's put it that way. So there you have it. I mean, it's a good, clean, recently renovated, modern room. It has everything that you would need, and it's a good value. Check it out.